got this guy about 50 feet away.
Just stop sign for wait.
Stop.
Just slow around the bend.
Yeah.
Slow down.
What do you think
Slow
I'm doing?
down.
60. Don't do
Is
60.
it 60?
Holy
Watch the curve.
Oh,
Wow.
Jesus.
Don't stop.
I didn't. Make
Sure
sure
seems
no
like
cars coming. Alright, I'm
Don't
just gonna
stop.
go 50. Make sure our car comes around nails.
All these are stop signs.
I
all the way
know,
up
there's
there.
about 3 of them. We're not finished.
Yep.
Easy. Don't wait till the last second to hit the brakes.
I
Just slowly glide into a brake.
Why don't you be quiet, Corey, and what's your language?
I'm about to beat the shit out of you.
I think I could ride a bike now. It's a two-wheel bike better than you can drive a four-wheel car.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of you here and Kate at the same time.
Oh, God.
Wow. What are you hitting the brakes so soon for?
Well, it's good he stops and keeps going.
Yeah. About time he stopped.
I'm gonna get it. Wait, we got to go. I'm doing everything.
Bill's even getting ahead on this one. Corey, you don't know how to honk the horn?
Yeah, no.
Oh, shit.
Pull up.
I know.
Pull up a little bit.
No car coming.
Car.
Yeah, that way.
You didn't even see that car.
Can you see your way? Up the street.
Yeah, no cars are coming that way.
Go ahead.
No!
Shut up.
No, you're hesitating. Hesitated.
He won't do that when he does driver's ed. They'll teach you.
They'll fail him. They'll fail him right now is what they'll do.
The driver's ed teacher will scream at him.
They'll scream
Oh,
at
the
him.
driver's teacher. When you got to get your license, they'll tell him.
Oh,
He
oh,
does that.
ripped his head off by now.
He'll do that.
Hell no, wouldn't he have?
Hurry up.
Okay, don't hesitate. Go. Go.
Wouldn't Paul rip his head off by now?
Yeah, Paul.
Way too fast on that turn.
Paul was mean.
Way too
You don't have
fast.
to get over this far. That's
Way-
fine.
way
Walk
too
a little.
close.
Screw it, Dad.
Way
I'll
too
fix it.
close.
What's code name the cleaner?